Introducing Notion with Early Success Business Plan. Your tool for efficient planning and a strong business start. Trust is crucial, but for business ideas, verification is a must. Notion featuring Early Success Business Plan empowers you to identify the business ideas with the best chance of success. It integrates powerful tools like BMC, SWOT, interviews, customer journey map, and prioritize your idea. Learn from the best articles and utilize special sticky notes designed for planning ideas, capturing problem statements, customer insights, solution concepts, and competitor analysis. This quick access will act like shortcuts to guide you quickly between sections. We've hidden the database smartly in the quick menu, so remember, don't delete it. Plus, for our Notion desktop users, we've got some handy shortcuts to supercharge your workflow. Furthermore, we always pay extra attention to our customers with quality templates. The My Reflection or Reminder menu is useful for storing feedback from others, whether it's from books or the internet. If you come across quotes that relate to your life, place them here. The side menu operates on a simple drag and drop mechanism. Pinned is useful for placing important sticky notes. Ideas bucket consists of simple and straightforward sticky notes. Save bookmark is like a sticky note for placing essential links that you want to save. Every sticky note in this template can always be archived, meaning if it's important but not immediately relevant, place it in the archive section. The recycle bin is the place where you can throw away sticky notes, but not permanently. The first part is the BMC or Business Model Canvas and SWOT analysis. There, you will fill in the table with information such as business name, business model, industry or sector, platform, purpose, and geography. It's easy to add anything as needed. Then, you choose among the 12 styles of BMC and SWOT analysis. Within each style, there are dedicated sections for BMC and SWOT analysis. In each section, we also provide sample questions, totaling more than 200 questions. Interview planning is something you must do to validate an idea. There, you simply determine the relation to the BMC and SWOT analysis, create a timeline with dates and objectives, and you can also add any objectives you want. Once you enter the file, there's a lot to explore. Starting with the All Question menu, which functions like a kitchen where you create a list of questions with the provided guide. The final documentation for the results of the interview analysis. The Preparation and Do's and Don'ts menu to ensure your interview runs smoothly. Then there's a section before you start the interview, like, what do we want to learn to note assumptions and hypotheses, and quick plan to estimate how many people you need for the interview, the time for each session, and incentives. Finally, in this section, there's a list of interviews where you fill in the interviewer's profile and can see the time on the calendar and timeline. Next, there's the Customer Journey Map framework. Make sure to fill it out well to understand how the business can run smoothly or not. In the verification board, the priority matrix acts as your compass. Higher scores mean a higher chance of success. Simple, effective. There's a table for all the important references you'll need to continually gather information, tips, and tricks about running a good business. Lastly, in Ideation Board, there are sticky notes specifically for businessmen like you. These sticky notes can be maximized when you get information suddenly. For problem statements, customer insights, solution concepts, and competitor analysis.